This is a fully restored 1955 Guild radio known as a Country Belle. It was fashioned to look like an old-time telephone in a residence. The radio is turned on by lifting the hand earpiece off the cradle, and when the tubes warm up, the radio will begin to play. It's an AM radio with volume control, also has tone control, and the channels are changed by dialing the crank. This radio is also Bluetooth enabled. Under the shelf, small switch, when flipped up, will take the radio into Bluetooth mode. The Bluetooth is known as Tuna Firefly, and once connected, you can play your favorite music or old-time radio programs through the radio and still control volume and tone on the side of the radio. And to turn the radio off, simply hang up on your call.